Hi, babies. Hi, Mama. There you are. Hi. And this neat old tree is on the earthquake trail in Point Reyes. Got all this little green stuff. I don't know if it's going to show up on the video. Like moss stuff hanging from it. There it is. And this is the other side of the same tree. It's got a big old scar on it. Big hole down inside. And this huge burl around the bottom of it. It's neat. There's another old tree.
Okay. Do you want anything to drink? Cost dollar. It's cost dollar.
Oh, cost dollars.
See, it's kind of weird pronunciation. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back.
But before you have to purchase it, send an email to me.
Wow, these bees go inside.
Yeah, he went inside that leaf. Oh, you're looking for the same one?
Yeah.
Third trip.
Did he come out?
No, he's still in there.
There he is. It's a hummingbird. Did you hear it?
No?
He didn't, just went over. Boy, he really had to fight to get inside that one. It's kind of collapsed. Like they come out and their little feet can't touch anything and they're like, whoa, whoa. I think he's just looking for bugs.
What?
Oh, he's drinking water out of the leaves right there. I think. Where's the trip? What are you doing, huh?
Well, there's no reference to...
Well, why don't you go in there? Put a quarter on the floor. Hi, King. He's so cute.
Oh, whoops.
There he
King,
goes.
sit. Sit. King, sit. Sit. Sit.
You got it on film?
I'm actually videotaping him.
Good
I
boy.
started to. I was going to take a picture of him.
Can I have a hug?
Oh, he's so huge. Thank you, King.